Aortic is first, on the right you hear second space, oh dear. Regurgitation or stenosis, loud and clear. The coarctation, listen here. All physicians take mighty herb. Listen close, my proverb. Each spot tells a tale to learn. Heart generates a beat. Now it's your turn. Pulmonic is left at space number 2. Regurgitation or stenosis coming through. ASD, a split S2. Wide and fixed, it's there for you. Tricuspid is down, fourth left space. Regurgitation or stenosis takes its place. VSD is a harsh, strong sound. Systolic murmur all around. Mitral is last, fifth space, left side. Mid-clavicular, left it too loud. Regurgitation and stenosis make their play. Prolapse clicks along the way. And the herbs point, a special friend. Third left space where sounds can blend. Listen well, know where to start.